Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome to the Gibson Garage Speed Shop YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. In this week's video, we're going to be helping a friend out diagnose a mystery leak. He's trying to sell the truck, and of course, wouldn't you know it, right when you go to sell it, something happens. But check it out. I don't know, maybe you can already see as you come up to this tire the stains. It has stuff flinging all over it. It's wet. It's gross, kind of grimy. There's a couple spots where it feels like brake fluid, but we need to get inside really to find out. So grab yourself a 21 mil, and you don't need a ratchet. Use just a plastic, couple threads, and then once you get them all, this should just come right off. Now that is not 21 mil. But a 22 will do the job. Alright, so obviously these are disc. I mistook this part here for being a drum setup, but this is where the e-brake is inside of here. And you can see from the wicking, like how it's been soaking into the drum. The leak has come from this direction. So it's this hub. It's really wet underneath here and all around here, but drier as you go this way, and then of course this is all dry. It's all dry behind it. Alright, let's pop off this caliper and this brake rotor, make sure and just inspect them, make sure there's nothing funky going on in there. This is going to be an 18 mil. That boy's got some Loctite on him. Oh, we probably should have left that in a little bit. Well, I got the disc off. It's dry as a bone inside there and in here, and there's no wetness coming from around the seals of the pistons of the caliper here. It's all dry inside of there. And another sign that it's not leaking brake fluid is that this is still completely full. For that much leakage, you'd expect that thing to be a lot lower. And so with a 19, we can bust these guys loose. Those aren't so bad. Those aren't bad at all. And so this one is a paper gasket, like I suspected. It's coming off really easy, not leaving anything behind. That's nice, very nice. You can just let that drain, or even jack it up a little higher, maybe. So this gasket from Felpro is actually composite. It almost feels like metal. When there are some paper options by Molly and I think another brand, I don't know, but I checked the reviews and they were saying, one guy said just like the original metal one, when I had a paper one, so I don't know what that's about. Even though this says 73 to 95 GM trucks, another guy with an 02 6.0 2500 in the comments, in the reviews, same truck as what I'm working on, said this worked perfectly, just like the original. I was like, I don't get it. Why did I pull off a paper one? But I'm going to cover this in gray RTV after this cleans up, after I clean this up a little bit. Alright, with this thing nice and covered and cleaned up, both the surfaces, we can stick it. I'll start all these. I'll run them all down by hand first, and this will move so you can get all these shoulders lined up. Alright, just put the disc rotor back on, put the caliper bolts back in place, we'll tighten those up, and then we can slap the tire on. So with a 3/8 drive ratchet, you can pop loose the fill plug. We're going to see if it starts draining out at all. If not, we need to top it off. Nothing's coming out. So it needs some 75/90. Oh, we're there. Yep. Very nice. Just topping her off. Some diff fluid. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And as you saw, there is obviously only the outside seal. There is an inner seal as well, like a wheel seal that's got to be pressed in and out. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? I know some people argue, oh, since you was in there, you should always do that. But that's, no. If it's not broke, don't fix it. And I talked to the guy, too. It's been at least a week, maybe a week and a half, and he says it's still holding up. Still not leaking, so we're good. No harm, no foul. And also click that notification bell if you like videos like this, installation parts of aftermarket parts, installation videos of aftermarket parts. This is a diffuser that someone sent me for my Magnum from eBay or Amazon. That video will be out next Monday, so subscribe. And we've got stuff to do with this and this. We're going to be swapping some parts over in preparation for an LS swap. Look at that. This is getting a big upgrade, so that means that's getting a medium upgrade. But until next time, guys, please like, please subscribe, please hit the bell, and peace.